you go to any economic hotspot of any part of the world, Chairman sir, you go to Singapore, you go to Dubai, you go to London, you go to New York, you go to Silicon Valley. The successful Indians are thriving like anything. We should be proud of them.
IIT's admission rate is 0.08% of applicants. So you're looking at a country where beyond any shadow of a doubt, there is a lack of access to high quality education for the vast majority of students. We should not overlook that point.
Chairman sir, I appreciate Honorable Senior Member Shashi Tharoor Saab's concern. Certainly, I will personally invite him to my office. I can go to your house. I would like to.
Sir, will the government of India take any steps to stop foreign universities from setting up centers here to take away our students and to earn money? British, Australian universities are doing this. What are you doing to stop them? You open campuses abroad.
अध्यक्ष महोदय, ये एक देखने की नजरिया है, दृष्टिकोण है। हम भारत की वैश्विक ताकत को इतने अंडरमाइन ना करें कि कहीं विद्यार्थी लोग जाते हैं तो सिर्फ ताली बजाते हैं। विश्व की विज्ञान, भाषा, इनोवेशन, मेडिसिन, ये सारे में आज भारतीय मेधा शक्ति की, इंडियन ओरिजिन मेधा शक्ति की एक ग्लोबल लीडरशिप आ रहा है। मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ, मैं तो बहुत गौरवान्वित हूँ जब भारतीय डायस्पोरा को, यू गो टू एनी इकोनॉमिक हॉटस्पॉट ऑफ एनी पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, चेयरमैन सर, यू गो टू सिंगापुर, यू गो टू दुबई, यू गो टू लंदन, यू गो टू न्यूयॉर्क, यू गो टू सिलिकॉन वैली. The successful Indians are thriving like anything. We should be proud of them. Today, in the era of knowledge-based economy, when globe is due to this connectivity, due to innovation, due to technology, when entire globe is shrinking to a village, हम अपने विद्यार्थियों को, अपने नई पीढ़ी को, हम दुनिया की गुड स्टैंडर्ड से वंचित करना कितना वाजिब बात है। यह सारा विषय को मैं दादा आपको फिर विनती करता हूं, लेट अस नॉट यूनानिमसली रिजॉल्व विल व्हाट वाज द कंडीशन ऑफ बंगाल व्हेन इट वाज प्री इंडिपेंडेंस एरा. ऑल द ग्रेट इंस्टीट्यूशंस आर रिजाइड एट कोलकाता. व्हाट हैपेंड टुडे? प्लीज द वे जिस कॉज को आपने 30-35 साल में शासन करने वाले लोगों को बेदखल किया था, डोंट गेट ट्रैप्ड इन द सेम वे दादा. यू आर अ सिटीजन मैन. वी ऑल हैव टू ब्रिंग एंटायर कंट्री टू द न्यू लेवल.
ऐसा है देवेंद्र जी, नथिंग विल गो ऑन रिकॉर्ड, नथिंग विल गो ऑन रिकॉर्ड. प्रोफेसर सौगत राय जी, आप जानते हैं कि जो आज भारत के बाहर बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं उनसे 125 बिलियन का रेमिटेंस इंडिया को आ रहा है. आप जानते हैं. शशि थरूर जी, डॉक्टर शशि थरूर नहीं, दे आर सेंड रेमिटेंस. चलिए
Sir, I'd like to briefly comment on the minister's earlier answer before asking my question. The Honourable Minister, he has celebrated, of course, the high quality of institutions. We have 11 in the top 500, etc. But do understand, Mr. Minister, that of the number of students who are seeking a good education, what a small percentage gets into these excellent institutions. IIT's admission rate is 0.08% of applicants. So you're looking at a country where beyond any shadow of a doubt, there is a lack of access to high quality education for the vast majority of students. We should not overlook that point, sir, because these outstanding stalwarts have gone from a few islands of excellence in a vast ocean of mediocrity. Let's face it, and we do need to improve it. But sir, my question has not been asked. That's just a comment. The question is the following, sir. When I asked the question number F in this, I didn't get an answer from you as to the reasons, and I must say the organization I used to head in the Congress Party, the All India Professionals Congress, conducted a study in Kerala about the reasons for why students are trying to emigrate. We got 17 factors in the detailed survey that we conducted, of which one is certainly the one we talked about, lack of access to high quality institutions. Another one undoubtedly is the relative lack of academic freedom in Indian campuses by comparison with foreign campuses, as well as, of course, greater social restrictions on the life of children here and so on, and more opportunities for off-campus work. There are a number of environment,
Only one
matters to do
question
with
you
the
can
environment
ask
and
in
academic
September.
universities, so which we must understand. For the minister to give an answer which avoids the question, I have read his 2 pages
Okay.
reply, sir. There is no answer as to the reasons.
So, Mani
I'm
Mantri
giving
ji
him
de
some
denge.
reasons and seeking his
I think so,
comments.
he will reply.
Is
Mani
the
Mantri ji.
ministry aware of these factors that are motivating students, and what
Mani
is the
Mantri ji.
ministry able to
Mani
do
Mantri.
to provide incentives for students to remain in our country rather than go abroad? That's the question.
माननीय मंत्री जी, अगर मैं कह देता हूं तो माननीय मंत्री जी तो फिर आप उत्तर दें, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन होने चाहिए।
Chairman sir, I appreciate Honorable Senior Member Shashi Tharoor Saab's concern. Certainly, I will personally invite him to my office. I can go to your house. I would like to. Sir, why? Sir, why?
Allowed to respond, please.
Chairman sir, why my two dear
Please,
friends from
please, I
Kerala,
think both you are senior.
Dear Premchand
Mr.
ji,
Premchand ji.
please, why Honorable Venugopal ji and Premchand ji, please. Why my dear friend Premchand ji and Venugopal ji so intolerant towards when I appreciate some few points of my dear friend Shashi Tharoor ji? You should please listen my answer first. I am ready to. This government is open to take suggestions, idea from anybody. If Shashi Tharoor ji, with his capacity, has done, he was HRD minister of this country. And he is represent Kerala. Kerala has an aspirational society. There he is not. I'll learn from him. There are a lot of aspirational issue might be there in his 17 point. Kerala people are very, very aspirational to go abroad, especially in the neighboring area. So this is a holistic thing. We are committed. We brought national education policy after 34 years. For the first time in our country, our government has envisioned a ranking framework. National ranking framework has been envisioned by this government. We are very much insisting coming out reforms on the NAC, NBA. We are committed to bring out our standards in our own institution, our country. But education is such a vast subject. If we want to be a global leader, if we want to be Vishwa Bandhu, we cannot work in isolation. We have to open our ear and eyes. I am personally ready to accept any kind of positive suggestion from any member of this august house.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.